Jalmeva yashya balmeva tasya. The one who controls the sea is the most powerful. Namaskar and welcome to In Samachar. Today we'll take a look at the grand old lady of Indian Navy, INS Virat, which was decommissioned in 2017 after 30 years of service with the Indian Navy and around 27 years prior to that in the British Royal Navy. The ship was capable of a maximum speed of 28 knots and underwent 3 major refits and some smaller ones during its 30 years long service with the Indian Navy. The refits, which are usually long processes, include complete overhaul, renovation and many upgrades of capabilities. The ship during its service operated 1 fixed wing aircraft, British-made Sea Harriers and 3 helicopters, anti-submarine aircraft Sea King Mk-42B, Sea King Mk-42C and Chetak on board. Some other helicopters including Made in India ALH Dhruv have also been operated from it during its service. INS Virat proved pivotal in Operation Jupiter in 1989 during the Sri Lankan peacekeeping operation. Subsequently, the ship was affiliated with the Gaharwar Rifles and Scouts of the Indian Army in 1990. The ship was also deployed during 2001 and 2002 operation called Operation Parakram following the terror attack on the Indian Parliament. She has also played a major role in calibrating the flying activities from the carrier, which proved to be of great help during the time of induction of INS Vikramaditya, which is currently the sole aircraft carrier operated by the Indian Navy. Virat's displacement, the indirectly measured weight of the ship, was 28,700 tons compared to Vikramaditya's 45,500 tons. Mother, as she was fondly referred to in the Navy, had been commanded by 22 captains since 1987. She was the flagship of the Navy since her inception. Around 40 flag officers, including 5 chiefs of the naval staff, were raised and groomed in her lap. At the time of its decommission in March 2017, the Navy had said, under the Indian flag, the ship has clocked more than 22,622 flying hours by various aircrafts and spent nearly 2,252 days at sea sailing across 5,88,200 nautical miles. This implies that Virat has spent 7 years at the sea, circumnavigating the globe 27 times. With mounting operating costs and age, the Navy announced the decision to decommission Virat in early 2015. After the requisite pre-decommissioning process at Kochi shipyard, the Grand Old Lady was decommissioned on March 6, 2017 in a ceremony held at Mumbai. Since 2017, India has been operating a single carrier, INS Vikramaditya, as against the minimum essential operational requirement of having 2 carrier battle groups, which are formations of ships, submarines and with aircraft carriers at the lead role. India's first indigenous aircraft carrier, INS Vikrant, which has a displacement comparable to Vikramaditya, is under construction at Kochi shipyard and is soon expected to undergo sea trials. The Navy's Maritime Capability Perspective Plan looks at 3 carriers in total, considering one of them requiring to be under refit. This requirement becomes crucial considering China's aim to gain control over the Indian Ocean region and sea routes, which are key for world trade. Navy's present strength is of 2 carriers with plans to double it by the end of 2020s. That's all for today. For more such news updates, log on to www.insamachar.com. This is Anshi Srivastav signing off. Namaskar.